The question is, a solid sphere having uniform volume charge density rho and radius r is shown in figure. A spherical cavity of radius r by 2 hollowed out. Find the potential difference between the center of sphere O and center of cavity O dash as shown in figure. If your answer is rho r square divided by 4y epsilon O, find value of y. Okay, so in the question, finally we have to find the value of y. Right. So now I should give you some clues about the question. We are having such a kind of one sphere in which charges are uniformly distributed, but a part is hollowed out. This is a sphere like cavity whose radius is r by 2. The center of the huge sphere is at O and the radius is r. The center of this cavity is at O dash. What actually this ratio? This is nothing but the potential difference between O and O dash. For this, you must know first about something that is like this picture. Here, if I assume the charges are uniformly distributed everywhere inside, okay, so inside everywhere it is charged. So I cannot write many charges, simply symbolically I am writing many plus charges inside. Okay, the charge density of this sphere is rho, and for such situation the potential at the point P, which is lying inside the cavity. Okay, be careful about the geometry. X is the distance from O to P and Y is the distance from O to O dash to P, and small letter r symbolizes the radius of this cavity and capital letter R symbolizes the radius of the big sphere. In this situation, the electric potential at any point P inside, okay, so electric potential at any point P inside the cavity, right, inside the cavity is Vp is equals rho divided by 3 epsilon O, right, and inside the bracket what I must write 3 r square minus r square plus y square minus x square divided by 2. Okay, so now in this equation we know everything. This is 3 epsilon O. Okay, so this is 3 epsilon O that should come in the denominator, right. So this is a epsilon O, and 3 r square minus r square. R is the radius of big sphere and a small letter r is radius of the cavity. Y is the distance from O dash to P and x is the distance from O to P. So now in this situation, the question what we have today, this one, we have to compare this particular condition with the given one, right, with the given one. What actually the things are? So now replace in this equation. Okay, so now replace in this equation by certain things, so be careful. R itself is R. Okay, R itself is R capital. Small letter r is r divided by 2. Okay, so this is one thing that we must keep in mind. And now we have to find the potential at O, right, at O. So now potential at O, how to find potential at O? Potential at O, this is to be found first. For this, what I have to think is, in this situation, if the point P lies at O itself, then x becomes 0, right. So put x is equals 0. And what happens to y? So y becomes equal to this distance, right. So this distance becomes y. Okay, so when P shifts to O, the line y, no, this one should be along this. That becomes the radius of a otherwise I am right like this, in the situation, in the given situation, O dash and O dash and O is here. This itself is y, right? So that y will be is equals r by 2, which is radius of the cavity. Okay, so this is the situation what we have to do here. So now electric potential at O is equal to, in this equation I need to modify, right? What I have to do is, it is rho divided by 3 epsilon O, and inside bracket I must be careful, right? 3 r square itself is r square minus, when I replace small letter r by r by 2, that becomes r square divided by 4, right, plus what is y? Y is r by 2, it should be squared, that is r square divided by 4 minus 0 because it is x. Okay, so whole thing should be divided by 2. When you solve this one, definitely VO will be is equals, right, VO will be is equals something like this, which is 10 divided by 8, okay, rho r square divided by 3 epsilon O. Otherwise you can say this VO is equal to, it is 5 divided by 4 rho r square divided by 3 epsilon O. I don't do anything further, so I simply keep this VO as it is. Okay, this is the electric potential at this point, which is the center of the bigger sphere. Now I find the potential at O dash. Okay, so potential at O dash. For this situation, again I have to rewrite this equation. Okay, this equation made for this situation, right? So what I have to think about is, I already have the replacements for capital R and small r. Don't do anything for this, just think over x and y. Okay, what I have to do for this x? If the point P shifts to this O dash, then what actually this x is, x itself is O to O dash. Okay, so this itself is x, this itself is x, means r divided by 2. When the point P shifts to O dash, y becomes 0, right? So put y is equals 0. So now VO dash is equal to rho divided by 3 epsilon O. I am replacing something in this equation. Okay, so I have given you the clue. So now on making the substitutions, it will be 3, and inside bracket it is 3r square minus, it is r square by 4 inside the bracket, plus what is y? Y is 0, minus what is x? X is r by 2, that means r square divided by 4. Okay, so this much, and divide by 2. Okay, when you solve this one, definitely you will get something like this, which will be which is rho divided by 3 epsilon O, and inside bracket it is something like 8 divided by 8 r square. Otherwise VO dash is equal to, just it is rho r square divided by 3 epsilon O. This is the potential at O dash, and this is the potential at O. What actually we need to find? We need to find, see here, find the potential difference. Okay, so we need to find the potential difference between center of the sphere O and center of the cavity O dash. So we need to find the potential difference at O and O dash, right? So for that I am doing my calculation further here. now potential difference between O and O dash is VO minus VO dash. One thing you must know, since rho r square divided by 3 epsilon O is here as well as here, and extra 5 by 4 is here, which is more than 1. So that means VO is more than VO dash. Okay. So that means this term is positive. That will be is equals. What happens if you subtract these two? Only 5 by 4 minus 1 will lie inside the bracket, right? This thing, and rho r square divided by 3 epsilon O will left out the bracket, you know. So that means what we got, VO minus VO dash is equal to this will be how much? This is 1 by 4 rho r square divided by 3 epsilon O. Okay, this much. Otherwise I can simply write rho r square divided by 4 which is multiplied by 3 epsilon O. Okay, this much. Now what we have to do is we have to compare this term with the given condition, that is this one. What they said, if your answer is right, if your answer is like this, what actually we got rho r square divided by 4 multiplied by 3 epsilon O, right? So when you compare these two, in place of y we are having 3, right? So that means y is equals 3. So the answer for this question is y is equals 3. This may be a numerical kind of question, and your answer in the gap should be filled with this one, which is 3.